If you've followed me since, I guess, when I started my videos on my blog, it was mainly because when I went to baking school, I didn't go to baking school because I wanted to become a baker, which is kind of the funniest thing, because 10 years later I'm still doing this, but I didn't go to baking school wanting to become a baker. I went to baking school out of curiosity. When we'd meet up with friends, we'd have potlucks, and I always offered to bring dessert, because dessert is the easiest, in my opinion, thing to make. And I never used to do like baking from scratch. I used to just go to the supermarket, buy cake mix, just come home, follow the instructions at the back of the box and bake the cake. But then at some point I started wanting to decorate my cakes, the ones I'd carry. So when I'd make buttercream according to YouTube or just googling recipes for buttercream, my buttercream always turned yellow. But then that's not what I wanted, because I wanted my cakes to look exactly like what I'm seeing online. So I'd ask my mom, because she used to bake for us when we were younger, and I tried her way and it still wouldn't work. And now I'm those people for, once I set my mind to something, it has to work out, whether I want it or not. So I kept on trying and trying and trying. And then my mom was like, so you ask like other bakers. So when I'd go buy like a slice of cake, I'd go ask the baker at the bakery, how do you guys get such white cream? And obviously no one would share this information with me. So my mom was like, then why don't you just go to baking school? And that's how I ended up in baking school.